Dear friends, welcome to my channel 1 to 10 Education. Today's topic is Speech on Independence Day. Freedom is not just a word, it is the precious gift for our great heroes. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Respected teachers and my dear fellows. Today I feel proud to speak about 14th August, the Independence Day of Pakistan. This is a very special day for every Pakistani because on 14th August 1947, Pakistan came into being as an independent country. Pakistan was achieved after a long struggle and countless sacrifices. Our great leader, Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, led the Muslims with courage, determination, and strong faith. He dreamed of a country where Muslims could live freely and practice their beliefs. We should always remember the sacrifices of our elders and respect the freedom that we have today. As students, we can serve our country by studying hard, speaking the truth, respecting others, and becoming responsible citizens. Pakistan is blessed with beautiful mountains, rivers, fertile lands, talented people, and a rich culture. It is our responsibility to protect our country and work for its progress. On this Independence Day, let us promise that we will play our part in making Pakistan peaceful, strong, educated, and successful. May Allah bless Pakistan and keep our country safe and prosperous. Pakistan Zindabad. Thank you. Dear friends, if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe for more videos.